Hi, hello, Mata Tilvarkala and Namaskaralu. I am not a Tuluva, but I learned Tulu how to read and write, and I know a little bit Tulu also to speak also. From today onwards, I would like to share whatever I learned in Tulu. Firstly, coming to the letters, how to write Tulu script. Firstly, from A we will start. First, how to write this A? A can be written like this. Firstly, you have to go like this, and this. I will show you again. A can be written like this, slowly moving. Actually, it will come. I will show you again how to write A. I will show this Kannada letter and Hindi letter also. What this is. In Kannada, it is A like this, and in Hindi, it is A. A can be written like this, slowly moving like this, like this, and like this. Like this we can write. And there are different types of ways to write A. I will show you those things also. Traditional way, why in traditional manuscripts there are these letters also. This is also A, and A can be written like this also. This like round will come. Sometimes this round will be there here also, like this. This is also A only. A is written in these many ways. This way or this way. Sorry, I will show you all the ways. Once again, I will write R with rounds at the edges, and this edge is coming like this. Or in these ways, R was used to written. Next, you have get a clear idea how to write A from this is the original. Now using A is this way. This. So it have to come like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. This is A first letter. Next coming to second letter. Second letter is A. So A how to write? A can be written like same how it has written in A. How we have written A like that only we have to extend the corner. This thing. This is added. how to write second now, like this. I will show you another. Not king perfectly. I will show you again. Like this. Heights are not perfect. That's why I am showing again. Like this. There are few other ways also to write a. Those are, see, like this. It will come like this. Or like this. Sometimes they extend this. This is also a only. So three ways are there to write a. Those ways, what are those? We will see. Coming like this. Or rounds will come. This is also a. This is also a. This is also a. These are the different types of patterns to write a. So next, coming to E letter. How to write E? E can be written just like this way. Slowly coming like this, coming like this, coming like this, coming like this. This is E. Firstly, we have to put a round here. After getting here, curve. After a curve, this like we have to write E. E have E is written in this way only. Sometimes they can wrote like this. In some manuscripts, it is like this. Like small changes will be there in manuscripts. These are E. I will show you once again. Firstly, one curve have to come like this. After that, like this. In old manuscripts, how it is there, it means like this, and like this. This is there like this. This is E. After that, E. How to write E? I will show. This is E. Same. Firstly, we have to write E and some curves we have to add beside like this. I will show you again. As this E will be, we will have to write E have to write like this curve have to come. And the E have some different types in old manuscripts. From old manuscripts, Firstly, the normal version now using is this one, but in manuscripts it is like this, this. This is stretched a little bit, and it will come like this. And some manuscripts it is like one small zero, one big zero, one small zero. This is also E only. I will show you again. Zero. This way. Firstly, one small zero, later one big zero, one small zero. I will show you again. It is not coming perfectly. One small zero, one big zero, one small zero. This is also E only. And in some cases they have written like this also. This is coming, two curves are coming now. Sometimes they will use only single curve. These are the different types of E's. I will show you again how to write this E. Have to curve, to curve. Next curves, two curves, like this. In order, like this. After in some manuscripts it is like this, and in some firstly one small zero, one big zero, one small zero. This is also E only. I will show with brush also. One small zero, one big zero, small zero. This is also used to represent E only. After that, coming to U. This is the letter U. U is written like this. Firstly, a curve and moving like this. It is very simple. This is the easiest one here. All letters are easy only if we practice well, and easily we can write U. U can be written like this. This is U. U have no alternatives. This is the simpler one. Just we have to make a curve, make a curve like this, like this. Small round first, small round first, after curve, like this you have to write. Next, coming to U. One second. This is the letter U. I will show you how to write. Firstly, curve as like U only, and small round here. We can write firstly one curve like this. This is the older format. I will show you again. Like this we have to do. After that, a small round will have to attach to U. This is U. And I will show you different patterns written for U. As I have told, in U was written like this. Sometimes they will put like this zero. Some manuscripts it is this. Like this it can. For example, I will show you again. Smaller round, like six round. They used to put. Sometimes they use this thing also for U. How we have write a second E. Second E was written like this. No, they have used this curves for writing U also. Some in some manuscripts. Many of their have like this and small curve was there. Like this they have written in some manuscripts. This is the letter U. I will show you all the types, all the formats they have used to write U. U. Like this it come. Small round have came. Six like thing have came. Like this it came. This is also U. These are the types of U's. Can write. So we have learned four letters today. Those four letters we will write again. Firstly, A. Secondly, A. Thirdly, E. Four, E. Fifth, U. Sixth, U. These are the six letters we have learned today. Till U we have learned. And I will try to make next letters from tomorrow, from the next video. See you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you so much.